pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God.
Do you remember when we were taught to stand for the pledge? Well, others are starting to break from the American tradition for current political climates and incidents in the United States. Junior, Colin Mukashina, and Ellie Hanlon share their views on why they choose not to stand.
Honestly, it mostly depends on how I'm feeling, both about politics and just sometimes I feel like tired or want to focus on something.
Yeah, I don't believe I should be pledging to any sort of flag I don't think I should be pledging for liberty and justice for all when not everybody in our country has liberty and justice for all.
Under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. And now,
I will not pledge while there are people being kidnapped off the streets.
I do think that it can show support for a country, although I do definitely think that there's definitely other ways to help benefit, like show our support for soldiers and the people who are working hard for America.
And I know a lot of people think of for our veterans and stuff who fought for our equal rights, but I don't think we should be pledging anything until everyone in our country has equal rights. That feels really strong today with ICE and all that stuff rampaging our streets, people being denied basic rights in detention centers and stuff like that.
This is Henry Pearson reporting for the Blueprint News.